How to move from zero to millionaire, zero to halo, with nothing, guys, with no money, with no any materials, but to become a millionaire. So the first thing you need to do is you need to start taking actions. There's not even like, no, I need to do this first, I need to have money, I need to do this. No, the only thing that you need to do if you want to become a millionaire, you need to be taking actions. I tell a lot of people, that's the only thing. You know, the difference between poor and rich is rich people take actions and poor people don't take actions. You know, they take actions, they take actions, they fail, take actions, they fail, and again they go up. But what do poor people do? What do poor people do? They don't take actions and they remain at the background, low background. They don't go up and they remain poor. So the first thing we did, me and my brother, we have a vision of becoming a millionaire. From zero. As you can see right now, we're shooting a video. We don't have nice materials. We don't have money. We don't have anything. We are from poor background with poor parents, and as you know, we are living in Africa. So we don't come from, we are coming from rich parents, and rich background. No, we are coming from Africa. But we have a vision of becoming millionaire in future, billionaire. We have this vision, and we will make it. No matter what, we believe. See us in the next years, next 2-3 years, next 4 years, next 5 years, you'll see that what we're talking right now, it will happen. And the reason why we believe so much is we are taking actions. We are taking action. There's nothing that will make you to become who you want to be in life. The all goals that you have made, if you want to make it reality, if you want to make them happen, the only thing that you need to do is you need to take action. Self-belief that you will win. That's the only thing that will make you to become successful, to achieve everything that you have made up, all the goals that you have said that you achieve them if you are only taking actions. That's the only thing that will make you to become successful. So I try to tell a lot of people, what you need to do is you need to get a paper, a pen, write the goals. Okay, me, I want to achieve this. Me, I want to achieve this. Okay, so write everything. Don't say, no, I can't buy a private jet. No, I can't buy a Bugatti. No, you see Luke Belma, you see Andrew Tate, you see Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a billionaire. I can't be a billionaire. No, right. I want to become a billionaire. So I try to tell people, you need to have self-belief. They don't want to have a self-belief. They say, no, me, I can't become a billionaire. You have said it, brother. You can't. You have said it already. You can't become a billionaire. So the first thing you need to do is, once you get a paper, write all the goals. Don't say, no, I can't buy a private jet. No, write it down. I want to buy a house I want to buy an expensive house. I want to buy a Bugatti. Yeah, $5.3 million. Okay, cool. I want to buy a house, $4 million. Cool. Write all the goals. Then ask yourself, why is that my mind is telling me I can't have these things? Right? You have the answers. You have the answers, brother. Because me and my brother, we had a vision of we want to become millionaires. But I asked myself, like, what is that? I wrote all the goals that I had. Okay, me, I want to become a millionaire. I remember. But I see, me, I'm living in Africa. We're living in Africa. And, we can't manage to become millionaires. And we see a lot of people, they are just poor. They can't even manage to become millionaires. They don't even have a self-belief. But we asked ourselves, why we are doubting ourselves that we can't become millionaires? Why am I doubting myself that I can't become a millionaire? And then my brain told me, you know what? Because you don't have this skill, you don't have this, you don't have this, and because if you have this, you can become a millionaire. Because a lot of millionaires have this. Then I started asking myself, okay, let me search. I look about millionaires, these kids that are making money. Then I search, they have similar things that they are using to make money. Then I say, I don't have these things. And my brain told me that you don't have this. So here, there is nothing that, no, I can't become a millionaire. No, it's just that I don't have skills that can make me to become a millionaire. Then I said, but my mind knows all these things. But it's just just tells me every day that no, you can't become a millionaire, you can't become a millionaire. Why? Then I just found myself, okay, cool, I don't have these skills, so I need to start learning these skills. It's very simple and straightforward. Then I become a millionaire. You see, so once you light all the goals that you have, you know, I want to buy a private jet, I want to buy a house, you know, I want to buy this. Then you need to ask yourself, why my brain telling me I can't do this, I can't be this, I can't be this, you know. Then your brain will tell you, you need to have this in order to have. Then you start working on it. Very simple and straightforward. Search, brother. Everything that you want to become in life, there's a lot of people who have achieved. Search on YouTube, search everywhere. Search with those people who have everything. So once you search, you know, then now start telling yourself, you know, start seeing the thing that they have in common. No, this guy has this skill, so this guy is doing this, so I need to have this, I need to be working this. You start doing everything that will make you to become successful. It's very simple and straightforward. But remember, the only thing that will make you to become successful is very simple and straightforward. I've already talked about this, guys. Action. You need to be taking action. Nothing more than that will make you to become successful. If you're not taking action, then you'll never become successful, and you stay poor forever, brother. You stay poor forever. So action is very important. The first thing of you, if you want to become from zero to hero, from zero to millionaire, the only thing that you need to do is you need to be taking action.
Yeah, as my brother said already, if you want to move from zero to millionaire, you need to sit down, you analyze what is stopping me to become a millionaire. Oh, okay, I don't have a good circle around me. Okay, 1. I don't have enough skills. Okay, 2. Okay, I don't have the mindset of becoming a millionaire. Okay, cool. Okay, I don't have goals. Okay, cool. Okay, I don't have dreams. Okay, cool. Start working on those things. How can I have a good circle around me? How can I have good skills around me? How can I have goals? How can I have dreams? Then if you start analyzing those things, you'll become a millionaire and nothing will stop you. As my brother said, we didn't have anything here. We didn't have a phone. So we sat down. What is stopping us to become millionaires? Okay, we don't have a good circle around us. Okay, good. Okay, we don't have skills. Okay, good. Okay, so how can we have all these things so that we can become millionaires? Okay, so we need to develop first social skills. Okay, good. If we develop social skills, we'll start creating content on YouTube. Yeah, good. If we start creating content on YouTube, then we'll end up having good circle around us that will make us become millionaires. You see, very simple and straightforward. So we need to analyze all these things. How can I become a millionaire? Okay, I don't have this. Okay, start working on having all those things. Then you see how easy life is and you become a millionaire. The second one is self-belief. You need to have self-belief. A lot of people don't have self-belief. Or the mind is telling him, you can't become a millionaire. Oh yes, I can't become a millionaire. Then he sat down and started doing nothing. Watching Netflix, doing all these things, partying with friends. You need to have self-belief. If you have self-belief, I can do this. So that if you face another difficult thing in your life, you said, oh, I did this one. I can't fail to do this one. You can do it. I can do it. Self-belief is the most important thing in life. So you need to have self-belief. Okay, I did this. I can't fail to do this. I will do it as well. And the third one, as my brother said already, action. Start taking action. If you analyze, okay, how can I become rich? Okay, I need to have this skill. I need to start creating content. Let me give you an example of me and my brother. We discovered these things and we said, oh, we need to start creating content. Then you can become a millionaire. Okay, how can we start creating content? Okay, we need this, we need this, we need this. Action. We started taking action. Go and check on our YouTube channel. Go and check on this channel. You see, we uploaded the first video on January 1, 2024 with no any script, with nothing, but we said we need to start taking action now. And we started doing all these things. So there's nothing that is stopping you to become a millionaire. There's nothing that is stopping you to become the greatest of you. There's nothing that is stopping you to achieve all your goals in life. There's nothing. All you need to have is self-belief, action, start taking action and become consistent. Then you become a millionaire and you become rich. See us guys, we are living in Africa and a lot of people don't believe it's possible here. All people believe it's impossible to become rich, it's impossible to become successful. So you need to have self-belief as you have self-belief, my brother. And mark my words guys, in less than 3 years we'll become millionaires and nothing will stop us. If you are new to this channel guys, you are following us, subscribe to our channel and like the video guys. You can comment and you will see how we will achieve all our goals.
So that's it, guys. So here it's very simple and straightforward. If you want to become a best editor, yeah, if you don't know how to edit for the first time, you know, go on YouTube, check how to edit, and if you find those, action, put action. Yeah. So if you don't know how to make website, if you want to become a website builder, you know, website developer, go on YouTube, go everywhere, you know, start panicking yourself. How can I make a website? Action. You know, if you don't know how to make an application, then you want to build an application, you know, go on YouTube, go everywhere, you know, go on mentors, people know how to make application, you know, and action, you know, do it. It's very simple and straightforward. So you can't say, no, I can't do this. No, it's very simple and straightforward.
There's nothing you can fail to do in this world. Nothing. You can do everything. You can be the best speaker. You can be the best kickboxer. You can be the best player in the world. You can do it. You can do everything. Nothing is stopping you. What is required is you need to have time. Time is the most important thing we all have. Time and action. We all have time. So if you start, don't say, no, I need to achieve all my goals in 2 months. No, because you have people messaging us. So you guys, you have opened the channel and you are still having 0 views, 0 subscribers. How can you just give up? Why can't you just give up? But we said, no, we will never ever give up until we achieve all our goals. Until we have millions of subscribers on this channel, we will never ever give up. We will never ever.
Exactly. And guys, you all know, everyone says, if you want to become an expert of something, you need to invest 10,000 hours on it. But just imagine, let me give you an example. You're investing 1 minute a day. Guess how many hours you're going to become an expert? Maybe if you're dead, brother, let's say it will take 70 years. 1 minute a day, 70 years. So if you become 75 years, then you're going to be expert. So brother, you need to make sure you're investing enough time for you to become expert on something. So let's say you're investing 50 minutes a day. Good, quite good. It's very good. You know, it will reduce for 70 years and it will put you somewhere else. So let's say you're investing 2 hours a day. Guess in 5 years, they're going to be. Let's say you're investing 4 hours a day. I'm not saying you need to be investing 4 hours. You can invest 30 minutes. You can invest 10 minutes. But guys, guess how we are going to be. You know, so the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure you need to invest enough time. You need to take care of your time, brother. Time is the most valuable resource that we all have. So once you take care of your time, invest time, you know, start taking action. If you don't know how to do anything, you need to know how to do it. And what do I mean about, you know, you need to know how to do it? You need to start researching on that thing that you want to do, and then you take action. So thank you guys, thank you very much for supporting us. You can like and subscribe, you know, and see you in the next video.
Yes, it's even dark, guys. As you can see, it's even dark. So, and those people who are messaging us, please stop. Those people who are inboxing us and saying you just need to stop creating content, you just need to give up because you have already started and nothing is changing, please stop that. Because we'll make it and nothing will ever stop us on making it. So thank you guys. It's even dark here in Africa, guys. Thank you very much. Really appreciate for your support. Thank you guys.